guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be playing MM2 Murder Mystery 2. I'm really bad at that game, but still let's give it a try. Oh. So sorry for the long wait. There's not clear internet, so I might get disconnected sometimes. And don't mind of the voices, like the sounds. Those are just the cars. Those are going on the road. Either way, I'm stage 25, but level 25, but still I'm a noob. I just keep winning in innocence. I'm really good in hiding right now. What's the skill setting? I know what I'm gonna get. See, I always get innocent. I'm so done with innocent right now. I hope I kill you. That's good. Let's interact with this. Activate. It's gonna go in. I'm just gonna hide here. This is the main reason why I love this map. You haven't seen my hand? No, I just the sheriff died. What is this? Am I glitching? Am I glitching? I hate collecting coins, and I'm still in 800. I need 1,000 coins to get this. I really need, a new one. Mm. 400 beach ball. Do I have 400 beach balls? Where's my... How many beach balls do I have? How many beach balls do I have? I love that sound. Wait. Oh, that's a hero. That's why it's yellow. Yeah, the sheriff died. The sheriff died. Who just reset? Who just died? I don't know. Okay, I might choose factory. It's kind of fun. I don't know why. There's no hiding spots, but still I like it. I don't know why. I have no idea. Don't mind me changing my voice because my voice is very bad in the real. I'm just trying to again, oh my, why do I keep getting innocent? Bro, get out of here. Why can't I prove it? That's a sheriff. There's no point of hiding. It's so laggy right now. I'm not a nerd, okay guys? I'm not a nerd. I'm gonna walk around. Is this a serious? This is so disgusting. Oh gosh. The murderer is right on top of us. the murder is right on top. What is wrong with you, bro? Why are you following me? Like the murderer is right on top of us. I don't know where I'm gonna hide. I'm dead. I'm dead. There's no place to hide in factory, bro. Where am I supposed to hide? Like, this girl is a noob. Or maybe not. Yes, he's a noob. I'm just so bad, and murder. Like in murder, I keep getting killed by like the sheriff. The sheriff, they have so much good aim. And if I get sheriff, the murderer will kill me. And the murderer will win the game. I always get like 1v1 to the pros, not the